STEM Cup is a weekly challenge where schools come together. They're completing challenges that surround science, technology, engineering, mathematics.
Each week they compete against each other to earn points for the chance to compete in the STEM Cup Grand Final.
Some weeks it's knowledge specific, in other weeks it's very practical, putting materials together. What's similar for every week is they're using real world problems.
They put their minds together and they bounce ideas off each other.
When they're sitting in front of the instructors, they get excited, they start talking. When they actually get to devise their plan or strategy, they have a great time.
They're happy to have a laugh and get it wrong and get it right.
Skills they learn are definitely transferable to the classroom and to their everyday lives.
It's team collaboration, it's communication skills.
It's really good for their social skills.
Critical thinking, thinking for themselves outside the box. These sort of skills are transferable in any kind of career path.
Kids have been really switched on, they've been really focused, but they've also come away learning without actually realising they're learning.
They're learning to trust their instincts and to go with something, and it's okay to get it wrong because then they can have another shot at getting it right.
They're learning something about the world as well. They're learning something new that they probably have not experienced before.
I think the kids are exposed to maybe industries they might not get to be exposed to in the classroom.
So they can see that these subjects are key for future careers, going to university. I would definitely recommend STEM Cup. Apart from the critical thinking and thinking outside the box skills, they have a lot of fun.
The kids are already trying to sign up for next term, so we'll be here again.
For sure, we'll be doing it every chance that we get.